Is your electricity bill making it impossible to stay cool this summer? In 2026, the game has changed. You don't need to rely on the grid to run your air conditioner. Today, I'm showing you a practical step-by-step guide on how to install a solar-powered AC system for your home. We're going to cover everything from panel requirements to the final connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right system, hybrid versus off-grid. First, you must decide on the system type. Most homeowners in 2026 prefer hybrid solar ACs. These units connect directly to solar panels during the day and automatically switch to the grid at night. If you want to go completely off-grid, you'll need a DC-powered AC with a large battery bank. For most of you, the hybrid system is the most cost-effective and easiest to install. Step 2. Calculating solar panel capacity. Accuracy is key here. A standard 1.5-ton inverter AC requires about 4 to 6 high-efficiency panels rated at 550 watts or more to run smoothly during peak sun hours. Do not undersize your solar array. If your panels produce less power than what the compressor requires, the system will keep switching back to the grid, and that defeats the entire purpose of going solar. Step 3. The installation process, electrical and mounting. Now for the installation. Mount your solar panels facing south for maximum sun exposure. Connect your panels in either a series or parallel configuration, depending on your AC unit's voltage requirements. Safety tip: always use a DC circuit breaker and an earthing kit. We are dealing with high-voltage DC electricity, and safety should always be your top priority. Step 4. Connecting to the AC unit. Modern solar-ready ACs have a direct DC input. You simply plug the MC4 connectors from your solar panels into the AC solar terminals. If you are using an older AC, you will need a solar charge controller and an inverter. However, for the best efficiency, I recommend using a direct drive solar AC system. Step 5. Testing and performance check. The moment of truth. Turn on the AC and check your energy meter. As you can see, the AC is running at full speed, but the grid consumption is 0. This system can pay for itself in less than 2 years, considering current electricity rates. Conclusion: solar isn't just an option anymore, it's a necessity. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to HVAC official channel for more technical deep dives. Stay cool and stay powered. Please consult a certified electrician before attempting high voltage wiring.